19th of February 2017, 8 goal.
The black, it looks like, Northern Blizzard. And in the white, Don Julio. Starting with the team on the left-hand side, Don Julio, as they organize out there. And playing position number 1 for Don Julio this afternoon, Ryan Robertson. Well, that would be a partisan crowd. The number 2, he is rated at 4 goals, Ulysses Escapite. The number 3, he is well rated at 4 goals, Gaston Von Wernick. And the number 4, Virgil Kyle. Don Julio at 8 goals this afternoon wearing white. And we'll talk about the players' handicaps expressed in goals and so on as we go through the course of the afternoon. To the right-hand side, line them up. Northern Blizzard, the number 1. She is rated at 1 goal, Dale Fargy. The number 2, he is well rated at 1 goal, John Rooney. The number 3, rated at 2 goals, Jimmy Wright. And at 4 goals, Joe Henderson will be the number 4. The umpire, Daryl Schwetz, as I say, working along with Andy Mays. James Court right now, the referee on the side. And we'll talk about all sorts of things. We're set to go. First game of the afternoon out of the 8-goal tournament. And very quickly as we start, just underway. Henderson will start the clock, go a second time. Defended by Virgil Kyle. Henderson, the release upfield. It's an extremely well-hit ball to drop down. Pick it up, John Rooney right in front to get to him. Ryan Robertson. Robertson, big play to stop Rooney near side. Von Wernick to move it toward the goal, and that is still on the field. Von Wernick to turn around. Flag man, we may have had a whistle. Flagger. Clock starts once again. And coming back out the other way now, Don Julio and Von Wernick was there. That ball back toward the goal. Nice recovery. Jimmy Wright defensively trying to get to Von Wernick. Can't do it. Misfire. Not a great shot at all by Von Wernick. Does get back a hold of it right now, putting the pressure on for Northern Blizzard. And this one now to Escapite. Well hit to the front in a hurry. Under some pressure. Gaston Von Wernick lays it out on the left side of the horse. Toward the goal, near side. That's the left side. Over top of the ball. Good play by Wright. Dale Fargy in there defensively. And now John Rooney for Northern Blizzard moves it back around, and over to pick it up is Joe Henderson, but he won't get there as he's out-dueled now by Ulysses Escapite. Escapite checks down, moves back around the other way. That is going to be Virgil Kyle now. Joe Henderson gets a piece of the ball and prevails over everybody. Henderson now for Northern Blizzard to move it back out the other way. And that ball will drop in. Rooney is right there, and that will be once again Escapite now for Don Julio. Backed up he is by Gaston Von Wernick. Von Wernick, the ball over, and that will be picked up by Virgil Kyle. We have the ball going back to the other side. And it will move back the other way along the boards. And moving down the other way. Obviously no scoring here. And we'll talk about the handicaps and why we started at 0 on the board for each team. There's handicaps in Polo. This is Virgil Kyle going to the play. Blizzard. 2 8-goal teams. The total handicap of the teams, of each team, the players' handicaps cannot exceed 8. This is Henderson. If one team was 7 goals, the other team was 8, the lesser handicap team would start with 1. Henderson starts the clock. Goes a second time, defended by Virgil Kyle. When a player is defended, he has to either run with the ball, as you see Henderson doing right now, or hit it hard. He does both. Play moving up toward the goal, deflects off a horse off to the right-hand side. And that is going to come back out the other way to favor Don Julio. They are in the white, Northern Blizzard in the black, way over on the far side. And the play moving up toward the goal by Northern Blizzard, for Northern Blizzard. Joe Henderson there to move it up into the front of the game. Dale Fargy is there. Rooney will come back and circle in behind us. Straight toward the goal, Henderson there. That one is kicked out of there by Escapite for Don Julio. So Northern Blizzard, when the ball gets close, keep your eye on the ball. It's kind of like a hockey game, everybody. Never take your eye off the puck. The backhand. Not for Jimmy Wright, not this time. And now Gaston Von Wernick to pick it up for Don Julio. Up in the front is Escapite. Absolutely wide open. Well, he was. It's been picked up by Wright now. And the fire off to the left-hand side. And that's going to go to John Rooney for Northern Blizzard. He'll just simply take it out to the left. So Von Wernick turns it over. In this case, he hit it just a little too far. That put Rooney into the game to pick it up. Jimmy Wright helps him out onto the far side. And defensively, Ryan Robertson is there, and he will not go in. Coming into the play, Escapite was there. Coming through was Henderson, and that ball is going to go Teams come back to center. The only time the clock will stop is on the umpire's whistle. Andy Mays will start him off. Whistle, that will stop the clock. Clock starts once again. And coming out, Ryan Robertson. And it will be a Virgil Kyle to move it further. And that turns around, and this is now Dale Fargy to move it up. Jimmy Wright is there. Fargy over top of the ball. And that will come into Gaston Von Wernick now. Von Wernick for Don Julio up to Ryan Robertson. Robertson right there toward the goal. Robertson very, very close. That one is wide. Northern Blizzard now. Clock didn't stop. We have just over now. 3 minutes left to go here in the first, scheduled 6. Sudden death overtime, by the way, as you watch there, Dale Fargy move it up. And that ball will move to Fargy with the play. And they'll come back the other. And the play will come out for Scapite. And Don Julio. Von Wernick is there. Sends it up. Escapite's there. Big play. Dale Fargy, however, and that one is perfect. So afternoon. When they get back, and as they line up here, this is rather important. If you drove a Ford Fusion here today, it's in the north, a silver Ford Fusion. This play starts, you drove it here, you forgot to shut the engine off. And I don't know why, but that's the situation. Von Wernick set up by a well-placed backhand by Escapite. Von Wernick now onto the left side. That's the near side of the horse. That's what we call it. This is Joe Henderson. Called the near side. That's the side of the horse we get on. Henderson the backhand. Jimmy Wright to try and get it. He's going to have trouble getting in. Coming into the play was Von Wernick. And we have the whistle. Sorry, that is Escapite. Very, very well hit. That one is, however, wide. The clock runs 1:14 to go here. Although, if you left someone inside with the air conditioning, well, I don't want to go there. Back line, Henderson and Northern Blizzard down by 1. Henderson the second time. He is defended by Virgil Kyle. Henderson hits it again. Short. Now he starts to run. Allowed to hit it short twice when he's defended. Then he has to either hit it hard or run. Henderson picks it up again. He is defended. Going to try and move it up over top of the ball. Back in there. Von Wernick. Dale Fargy now moves it up, so we count down into 35 seconds left to go. Jimmy Wright now for Northern Blizzard as we count down here in the period. There's the 30-second horn. Jimmy Wright goes to the ball right there. Ryan Robinson whistle. It is Don Julio Day. There will be a tasting later on. As soon as I know more about it, I'll let you know. We have Eldorado merchandise. Jimmy Wright starts the period converting the penalty number 2. Jimmy Wright converts the foul. We'll talk about that when I have a moment. It's Mariano Facetta back at center. They've changed ends. Coming out to your right now would be the white shirts of Don Julio. And this is the black shirt of Joe Henderson with the polo ball. Stepping into Scapite, picks it out away from Henderson with a nice play. Back shot. This over to set up. If he can get there would be Von Wernick. Von Wernick will move in. John Rooney, however, beats him to the play, but he's over top of the ball. And Von Wernick now a chance for Don Julio. Excuse me, checks up. Coming into the play, Virgil Kyle. This is Ulysses Escapite now. Well hit ball to the front. In a hurry, Von Wernick shot toward the goal is going to go well out to the left-hand side. And that is not over as yet. No indication from the flag man. That goes off into the corner. In a 1-1 tie now. As we move down the far side. Henderson is right there. Coming back into the play. Jimmy Wright will step out. Henderson did not have to go in. Ball comes out. Ryan Robertson right now. Pressure on the left-hand side is Jimmy Wright. Wright gets the backhand. Good play by him. Stepping in, Escapite there. That one is in there. Gaston Von Wernick. Come back to center. Again to change ends. Clock for the balance of the afternoon. One would hope so. Here in the second. 150 yards to go either team. Would tell you the field is 300 yards long. It's 160 yards wide. don't think I've ever seen an umpire ride in and kind of just brush each guy and say, come on, guys. And the play coming out now for defensively, moving it forward. Now the other way around. Escapite. He did not hit the ball back. Nobody in position. Escapite moving it out. Jimmy Wright there didn't have much of a play. And now Joe Henderson is there for Northern Blizzard. Henderson checks in. Kicks it back in. That's into traffic. Dale Fargy was by herself at the ball and got up, and she's there right now to get to her. Escapite. Fargy takes big hook. Hooking, I told you, is allowed. Nice play by Escapite. However, Jimmy Wright is there to pick off the miscue by Von Warnick. Von Warnick, however, just takes right out, moves him away, gets to the ball, cuts it over, and that'll go to Escapite now. Reaches back. Play move 2. Jimmy Wright back to John Rooney. Rooney right toward the front of the goal. Big chance. Northern Blizzard. Rooney's there. Cut shot not going to go. Henderson. Cut shot is wide. Line clock runs. And Von Warnick now in across the back line for Don Julio. 4:20 now left to go. In the second chukker. Escapite trying to move it up. Not particularly well hit. John Rooney is there to take advantage for Northern Blizzard. Near side to Von Warnick as he moves along, gets the play. Outduels Jimmy Wright. Wright's going to have to hustle to get him, and he's not going to get him. Von Warnick is by himself, straight toward the front of the goal, mishits it. And the aforementioned Jimmy Wright, a good backhand by him, and over to pick that up, check it in, go to the ball, Joe Henderson. Henderson checks up, moves up. Defensively, Ryan Robertson places himself. Virgil Kyle now steps into the back. He is the number 4, and this is over to Escapite, pushed by Jimmy Wright. Escapite backhand, checking in to get to that. It's going to have to be Von Warnick, but Joe Henderson pounces on the opportunity, crosses over that imaginary line. No one there on the right away, however, and that's why Henderson was allowed to do that. And the backhand by Von Warnick. And that is to Escapite, left-hand side, Jimmy Wright. Not much he can do. He can't cross in front, remember, to make the play. However, if he outruns him, and Escapite checks up and lets him have it, he can have the ball. Couldn't do it. Escapite to the goal. Not much to look at from right there. Escapite is wide. The back line. Joe Henderson, 2:51 left to go. Here in the second. A 2-1 game. Favor Don Julio. Henderson sends up over to pick it up. And nobody in a black shirt's going to get there. Will be Von Warnick for Don Julio. He just kicks it over. So with possession to Northern Blizzard, that would be a turnover. They're along the wall. Getting it back, however, is Jimmy Wright. No one to hit to. He does move it up. And that's just going to go to Von Warnick. Pushed, however, by Henderson. Henderson in a hurry. Von Warnick to pick it up and move it out of the way. Henderson right there. Von Warnick will have control. Von Warnick sends it across. No one up there to pick it up. Henderson will be well placed then to get to the ball with 2:05 now left to go here in the second. And the play to Jimmy Wright after Escapite went over top of the ball. Virgil Kyle, nice backhand, no one to get to it. But Rooney called out by Henderson, and Henderson to move the play. He had the offensive play, Rooney defensive. That's why they gave it to Henderson. That's why he called Rooney out. This is Escapite, looks around, checking up Jimmy Wright, conceding the play. Backhand by Virgil Kyle. Nice play by him. Good play by John Rooney, however, to move it up toward the goal. Dale Fargy will step in, but the play is going to come out the other way for Escapite and Don Julio. Count down now. We got a minute and a half left to go here in the second, in a 2-1 game to favor the white shirts of Don Julio over the black shirts of Northern Blizzard. The ball over right. He tries to get back in. Fargy's there, sends it up. This will be Joe Henderson now. He's going to go for the goal right there and moves it up. Defensively, Virgil Kyle is there. His backhand is just a little out. And that is Jimmy Wright to pounce on the opportunity. That's his second of the game. 5 seconds out of the horn. Checking in, Virgil Kyle. Ball into play. Horn's going to go. And yes, both jumped. I said the horn was going to go. Doesn't matter. The clock stops. Kid, I hope it didn't wreck your picture. Take another one. Got a little guy go. And we'll be back in 4 with chukker number 3 and a 2.
And I even turn Tony down a little bit.
And he'll go a second time. Clock starts. Starts, by the way, when the ball is hit or hit at, not when the umpire calls play. Pretty well hit ball up toward the front of the goal. Not going to get there. However, Escapite there, shot to the goal. Bad break. into, looked like Dale Fargy's horse. That one was labeled to the goal, no question about it. Stepping in, Robertson there. Coming into the play, Von Wernick, along with him, I believe that was Joe Henderson. He'll go a second time. Up into the game in front of him. Rooney starts to move. Jimmy Wright starts to move. Fargy way up into the front. Henderson with the ball, defended by Virgil Kyle. Got a piece of the ball. He had enough room to get in there, and the play's going to move to Jimmy Wright. Wright snakes it out, can't do it. To get to him was Escapite. And Dale Fargy now with the Polo ball for Northern Blizzard. Escapite stepped in, and the ball is going to be Jimmy Wright trying to get to Henderson. Von Wernick is right there for Don Julio. Everybody steps in, and John Rooney comes out with the ball off a horse's foot. Pushed back by Henderson. Jimmy Wright gets around, picks it up well. Hit ball by Wright. Out to the left-hand side. Fargy right there. Play toward the goal. Fargy not going to go. Looked like it could have gone. Didn't do it. That one is wide. Off the back line. This is Escapite for Don Julio. It's about 5:45 now left to go here in the third. Shadowed by Rooney. And now Escapite called out by Von Wernick. And Escapite just chops it up. Drops down. That's going to be difficult. Battle of the bouncing ball won, however, by Escapite. Escapite now no play for Rooney in front. There is a play for Jimmy Wright in behind to get to the hook. And after all that, Von Wernick is there to move the play toward the goal. Big play here for Don Julio right there toward the front of the goal. Gaston Von Wernick is wide. And I'm neutral. Henderson lays it up. Over back into the port. We're going to go back to Dale Fargy. However, Jimmy Wright will now pick it up and move around the other way. Just trying to get away from people, get some breathing room. Wright will check in now. And you can see the horse slide just a little. And divots starting to tear up. Going to get a chance at halftime to go onto the field, put some of those back. And we go to the front end, and this will be Dale Fargy now to move to the play. Left-hand side is Ryan Robertson, and this will be Gaston Bornick. His backhand over to be picked off by Jimmy Wright. And Henderson will back him up, and it'll be Jimmy Wright. Now, Fargy as well, in behind Wright. Wright pops it up. That might be tough. Rooney won't get to it. Wright will. Tries to move it up. Can't do it. Into the play would be Ryan Robertson now. Or Virgil Kyle, excuse me. For Don Julio in 3:54. Why? If the players didn't foul, you wouldn't hear the whistle. Von Wernick. We're not criticizing the players either. I just want to clear that point up. And it would be Jimmy Wright now with Escapite on his left hip. Jimmy Wright, big opportunity here toward the goal. He has kicked out of there by Ulysses Escapite. Over to the side, and that ball's going to come back around. Escapite, Wright got away from Escapite, made the play nonetheless. And we have a whistle. Escapite getting in there again the backhand, but in the meantime, with 3:24 on the clock, we have a whistle. We'll wait and see what the call is. We're tied at 2. Along the ground to, if he can get there, Virgil Kyle. Backhand Joe Henderson over to John Rooney with a nice shot out for Jimmy Wright. Wright to pick it up for Northern Blizzard. To get to him for Don Julio is Gaston Von Wernick. And Wright is simply going to outrun Gaston Von Wernick. Jimmy Wright over top of the ball. Pressure might have been too much. Henderson's not going to be able to get to that. Over top is Robertson as well. Fargy for Northern Blizzard sets it up to get to her in a hurry as Virgil Kyle. Kyle stops it. Wright comes back out of nowhere. That one is in there. Jimmy Wright, little doubt about it, nails it. So Jimmy... Daryl Schwett starts to move them out a little bit. They will not throw the ball into the same place every time. That would cause undue damage to the grass. Henderson pops it out. Not going to be able to get to it. Von Wernick steps in. Turning over to pick it up would be Escapite. John Rooney is there. Nice backhand by Rooney. Bad break, however. Good job by Ryan Robertson to stop him. That was a really good job by Robertson. And reaching back is Scopite. Henderson is just unable to get a whole lot done there. That is into John Rooney's horse. And coming back the other way for Northern Blizzard would be Jimmy Wright. Get to him is Scopite. Escopite is right, defers. Escopite to take it forward once. Nobody open to get the play too, so Escopite is going to turn around with 1:35 now on the clock. And a long effort up for Gaston Von Wernick. Over to get to him is John Rooney. Von Wernick now for Don Julio. Pops it toward the goal, and in a hurry, Virgil Kyle is there. That is picked off by John Rooney whistle. And that'll stop the clock at 1. And Von Wernick converts his second penalty, number 2 of the game. We go back to center. Clock is running 1:10. Working along with, as I say, Andy Mays, the 2 umpires. They are called umpires in polo. I think the only sport where the field officials are umpires, and the referee is on the side. I'll talk about that when I have the opportunity. Once again, pops out. Well played. Going to honk the horn now. The kid got it this time. He's not taking a picture. He's holding his ears. He's a smart kid, and that's how to play. And we're going to go to halftime. And onto the field. By all means, do so. Put back some divots. You'll go onto the field at the 2 o'clock. And we are set now to start the second half. And as I say, if you went onto the field, thank you very, very much. I have to advise you that Jimmy Wright received a yellow card in that period. And Dale Fargy now for Northern Blizzard. A chance to break the 3-3 tie. Fargy all by herself. Virgil Kyle to catch. Fargy right there sends this. And this one is out to the left-hand side. Fargy tries to cut it toward the goal, and that is not over the back line as yet. Flagger well over to the right side. That's good flagging, keeping the ball between the goalposts in his vision. And a chance for Northern Blizzard that they do not come away with anything, and this is now Von Wernick or Don Julio in a 3-3 tie, just underway, and that is... And the clock will continue to run, 6:35. And Fargy, a backhand, that's over to John Rooney. Rooney now for Northern Blizzard, tries to cut it over, goes straight. He'll get another chance. Over to get to him is Escopite. And that ball moves up for Escopite to kick it out of there. Ulysses Escopite, John Rooney for Northern Blizzard to get to Don Julio's Escopite. And they will move it over further toward the corner. Von Wernick is there, and the ball is going to move out. Back over the other way, Escopite with the play. He'll get a chance off to his left as he looks at it, stepping in. Henderson there. Escopite with the play, sends it up. Excuse me, Von Wernick. Moving it up. Jimmy Wright is there. Kicks it back over. John Rooney to pick it up, reaching across Von Wernick. Escopite behind Henderson as Henderson moves the play along near side now for Henderson. Henderson now with the play. Escopite to get to him. Henderson forced over into the corner for Northern Blizzard. Don Julio's Escopite makes the play. John Rooney now to pick it up and push it toward the goal. Has some difficulty. Then we'll come back to Henderson. Has time. We'll check. We'll turn. The play up now to Henderson. Opportunity here. Lots of pressure on him, however. And a nice play, move back to Von Wernick by Escopite. And Von Wernick now will advance the play. Up in the front, Ryan Robertson is there. That ball had his name on it. Into Jimmy Wright, didn't go. Still, however, Von Wernick with the play. Right, left-hand side, not a lot he can do. Can't cross in front, can't reach in front. Jimmy Wright is there. However, his horse gets the play for him. He moved the man out, got the ball back over for Joe Henderson. Henderson now with Escopite to get to him. He eludes Escopite. I'm talking about Henderson. And he is there, and Joe Henderson, as Dale Fargy takes Von Wernick out of the play, and that allows Henderson to go straight toward the goal. Fargy, big play by her. Henderson there is in there. Joe Henderson. Don't give assist in polo. And as I say, 4-3 Northern Blizzard. That was polo. And coming out now. The play moved well up front for Virgil Kyle over top of the ball, checking in. Von Wernick to try and get to him, and gets it back, not quite. That is Rooney there to kick it out. The ball's going to step in for Fargy, and she takes it out of harm's way, at least for the moment, for Northern Blizzard. Fargy called out by Henderson. He moves it up, trying to get to Jimmy Wright, and Wright will reach in to Escapite to try and stop him, and will pick up the ball. To check it down. Ulysses Escapite now for Don Julio, the number 2. And the ball will play for Von Wernick. Off into the corner. This is Ryan Robertson. Well hit ball by Robertson. However, it is going to go over the back line. And the play up now for Von Wernick. And the whistle. And Henderson, he'll go a second time. 2:14. The play for Henderson now to move the ball to the goal. Chance is not going to go. Back line, Von Wernick now. Well-placed ball up toward the front. Ryan Robertson dueling along with Dale Fargy. Nice play. Good play by Fargy. Not much for Wright. And it will be Von Wernick once again to pick it up. Backed up by now is Escapite. And Joe Henderson is there. Escapite unable. Coming to the play was Virgil Kyle. Jimmy Wright going in to make the play. Couldn't get it done. He was allowed to go across there and behind, by the way. No one coming along the line off to his left. Turning back to the ball right. Escapite. Escapite wins. Henderson wins as well. And Joe Henderson now with the Polo ball. Less than a minute to go now in the period. Escapite allows Von Wernick. Good play by Escapite. Got Henderson out. Von Wernick with the ball up to Ryan Robertson. Stepping in was Fargy in the play too. Ryan Robertson misfires off toward the right-hand side. Fargy straight back, and that'll be Von Wernick's ball as we count down now to 39 seconds left to go here in the fourth. Von Wernick now in a 4-3 game, favor Northern Blizzard. Von Wernick now with 30 seconds left to go. And I guess I didn't warn you, did I? That's why you jumped. Oh well. And we'll go the other way. 4 to the right-hand side. That was for Virgil Kyle. His next shot to the goal does not get there. No play for Fargy. Backhand is in there. Ball moved in. Von Wernick with the backhand. And I believe it was Von Wernick with the backhand. And that will tie it. We'll start the finish. So off the goal. We don't come back to center to start a new chucker. Because the goal... Obviously to change after every chucker. They do change after every chucker. We start at center. And they do that in our time. You can't change during a game. You can't call time to change. Well hit ball by Jimmy Wright up toward the front. Dale Fargy to get to the plate. Defense will be Virgil Kyle to stop her. Fargy's there. That one is in there. Dale Fargy, excuse me, to outduel. Fargy, I think, deserves an assist. For back and center change ends. Players would like to bring, say, 8 horses to a game. And they can change during a chucker, but they can't call time to do it. And they are thoroughbreds, as you watch Von Wernick just throw it up there, unfortunately, into a horse. Escapite right there in front of the goal. Escapite for Don Julio is in there. Ulysses Escapite. Escapite got it. Long by 160 yards wide. Just over 9 American football fields you're looking at right now. That's just field number 1. We have a whistle. Well hit up where nobody can touch it. However, as I like to say, Henderson now in a 5-5 tie. 4-14. That's Escapite. Back shot this over Von Wernick. Von Wernick now with Fargy to get to him. Von Wernick for Don Julio. Moves it toward the goal. Virgil Kyle is right there. A lot of traffic, and right there, that one is in there. Gaston Von Wernick makes it 6-5. Don Julio. The stories you hear on the radios. Back to center. Change ends. This is Northern Blizzard. in a hurry. Joe Henderson in behind Ryan Robertson. It's going to be Henderson, however, with the opportunity to the goal. And that one ties it at 6. So Henderson. Jimmy Wright trying to move it up. Thrown back by Von Wernick. Scopite reaches in. And to get him as Henderson's not going to get him. Scopite between players. Trouble for Northern Blizzard. Trouble for Von Wernick as he goes over top of the ball. And the first one back will be Scopite for Don Julio. John Rooney to push him. Rooney rides to the play. Scopite will bring it back around. Scopite checks up, slows it down. Nobody open. Now starting the move is Von Wernick. Scopite sends this one up. That's not going to get to anybody, but defensively, Joe Henderson to bring it back around for Northern Blizzard. And offensively now is the team known as Northern Blizzard. Jimmy Wright to drop it up off to the right-hand side, and it'll be a Scopite as he moves it back around. Scopite, Wright is there. Henderson will step to the play. Won't make it. Wright sets him up, and Joe Henderson now by himself, well off to the right-hand side, is Gaston Von Wernick, and John Rooney going to Von Wernick. Look for Jimmy Wright to get to Scopite. He did not, however. And so Henderson will fire out to the right-hand side. Wright may have a chance here to go. No play for the guy in front of him. That deflects off a horse right there. John Rooney, part of the goal, Northern Blizzard. This one is in there. John Rooney. And we've got Girl Scout. You live in Palm Springs? Wow. Coming to the plate, Jimmy Wright in behind him as he listens to Scopite, and we have a whistle. And play coming out, playing 4-on-3 now. This could favor Northern Blizzard. They have a lead of 1, and they've got the Polo ball. Scopite coming back onto the field. Jimmy Wright with the play. Rooney trying to move up and move Robertson out. Wright is right there. Going to move it up to Joe Henderson. Scopite is there. Henderson straight toward the goal. His shot is wide. So Scopite did. And Don Julio. And another whistle. Got to be at least 30 yards away from the striker as he hits the ball. And I believe that was not the case. And Von Wernick then picked up 30 yards. He just picked up about 78 yards now, and he's going to pick up a whole bunch more. John Rooney there, no play for him. Von Wernick runs. Up in the front, Ryan Robertson, and Rooney is there. As the ball came over to the left, that took Von Wernick in the white shirt off the right of way, gave it to Rooney. And the play now to Jimmy Wright now for Northern Blizzard. Defensively, to move over to him is Scopite, and he makes the play. In the meantime, however, Joe Henderson is there, and will just stretch this out, and Jimmy Wright is there to pick it up. Doesn't have a play. Henderson still has the ball. To get to him, Virgil Kyle, as Henderson sends it to the front. Jimmy Wright is there. That one is wide. So Jim Tucker, we go to the 6th. 7-6, Northern Blizzard. And we are underway here in the 6th final regulation time. In a 7-6 game favor Northern Blizzard. The play to Scopite and Don Julio. And this up to the front. Ryan Robertson there to move to it. Dale Fargy gets him out of there. Back shot by checking in Joe Henderson. And the play over for, well, John Rooney right there trying to make a defensive play. We're going to come out the other way now for Scopite. And Scopite just launches one to the front. Ryan Robertson is over there for Don Julio to get to it, up very, very close to the line. No indication as you look back to the left side of the goal with the flagman in position. And they are buying Girl Scout cookies. You better get in there and buy them. They got lots of them. Don't worry, they're not going to run out. Defensively, this is Von Wernick for Don Julio. They need a goal. They do not want to get down by 2. Well, that would make sense, wouldn't it? And it is just thrown up by Henderson, and over to bring it back around Von Wernick onto the near side. To get to him, Jimmy Wright. Wright reaches over and moves it toward the side. Right now, along with Von Wernick, straight toward the wall, right down in below the clubhouse area. Von Wernick prevails, gets the backhand. That drops over, however, for Joe Henderson. No play for Robinson over there. Virgil Kyle now to get to Henderson. Henderson turns around. Kyle right there. The play will move up now to Henderson. This to set up right if he can get there. It looks like he steps in. Makes the play, however, right in behind. Now looks like 5, excuse me. 5:46 on the clock. Don Julio need a goal. No play for Jimmy Wright. And a well-placed ball in a hurry to move to the play. Ryan Robertson there straight toward the front of the goal right there. Don Julio is wide. He's got the ball. 5:08 left to go now. In regulation time, a 1-goal game. Henderson launches one up. Fargy now in a hurry to get to her. Estopite. Fargy reaches down. Good play, Estopite. Good play. Big play by Rooney. And that just goes to Von Warnick, however, over toward the side. In a hurry is Estopite to reach in. Jimmy Wright right there. And it will be Virgil Kyle. As to whether or not it's a foul or the placement of the ball after the foul. Henderson out to the left-hand side. And over to Pickett and move it would be Fargy, not going to get in there up along the line. And we're going to come out with Von Warnick now. To move up to Estopite, may have an opportunity here. Robertson picks it up. Nice play by him. Moves it up and Estopite's there. He moves it into Wright's horse. And the ball is to Joe Henderson now for Northern Blizzard. Pops it back. Dale Fargy now stepping into the play. Fargy with the ball coming across. Right, way up high and in there. Jimmy 6. There's too much. They're awesome. The back shot by Estopite. They need a pair right now. Estopite to move it up. Moving up into the front. Virgil Kyle. Dale Fargy trying to control him. The ball is over along the far side. And Joe Henderson will be there for Northern Blizzard. And to get to him, Gaston Von Warnick. John Rooney in a hurry. This to back up Henderson. To get to Rooney, Virgil Kyle. But it is Henderson on the far side. This will be Rooney. Kyle steps in. And a whistle. That's well hit. Perfect. Wright is 2 for 2 from 60 yards. Those are the tough ones. Clock's off. 2:21. 9-6. Northern Blizzard. Von Warnick behind Jimmy Wright as Von Warnick sets it up. Wright is right there. Reach out for the hook. Von Warnick to the goal is going to need help, and Kyle is there. The ball goes out toward the side with Joe Henderson. John Rooney now trying to throw it down the side with 1:55 to go in this one. And Henderson right along the wall. You're down there. You're eyeing the ball. And the puck, it's a hockey game. That comes up. That is out. You've been hit it out. The play. This is Jim Wright now. With 1:20 to go. John Rooney toward the front will battle with Estopite. Rooney will step in. Estopite tried to check in behind and get the hook. And Rooney now to move it toward the goal. Ulysses Estopite to stop him. Estopite will take it forward. That takes Rooney out. Fargy right there with Ryan Robertson to get to her. And it is going to be Gaston Von Warnick there with less than a minute to go in this one. 9-6. Northern Blizzard are going to win this one over Don Julio. That doesn't mean you can't taste the Don Julio later on. You can all afternoon long. And this is Ulysses Estopite now by himself. As we count down, we will not play, by the way, the final 30 in this one. The last chucker, under the new rules, we do not play the final 30, and Estopite is there and puts it through there. And Estopite puts it in there, giving a final score of 9-7.